After watching tons of videos on opening mystery packages, I thought I would do one myself. Specifically watching Melissa from Cheap Trick, who makes it look so fun, and she's so sweet, which is why I watch her. So I went to Poshmark. It's Poshmark. I've never been there before, and so I ordered this package, and it was $25, and my first order, it was free shipping. And I ordered a mystery box that was vintage accessories. Now, I'm kind of ready for a little bit of disappointment because I like really old vintage. I'm really into Art Deco. And this is probably mid-century, 50s, 60s, whatever. So I have no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out. Oh, if I can figure out how to open it. I have a handy tool. Wow. Well, they packaged really well. Maybe double packaged really well. There's a card in here. It says, "Thank you for your order. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions, reach out anytime." But it doesn't say who it's from. And I honestly can't remember who I ordered from, so maybe there'll be something in here. There's supposed to be 5 items, so let's see what we get. Oh, cute box. See, I like boxes, so that's a bonus right there. Mystery vintage jewelry accessory, 5 pieces, up to value $100. And there's another thank you card, the same one. So, oh, they shouldn't have taped this box because the box is so nice. Let's see if I can get it off without wrecking the box. Ugh. I remember when I was a kid buying Lucky popcorn just because I liked the prize. Prizes were never very good. Except I think once I got a very fancy fake ring that I really liked. There. The box is still pretty much intact. And we're going to open it. Everything's wrapped in silver paper. So, this is the first thing. Pearls. Wouldn't it be nice if they were real? I'm very sure they're not. If you can see, this is what I tend to do with pearls in my house. I don't wear them so much as display them, but they're quite nice if you like pearls. So I'll just put those on if I can get this clasp open and decorate myself. That's not bad. I need spy glasses. Nope. Anyway, this is them. They're quite long. Actually, that's sort of 20s pearls. That's $25 worth of tissue paper. All right, what's this? This comes in a little bag, and it's a butterfly brooch with $6.50 on it. And that's what that looks like. I learned how to do this hand trick from Melissa. Thank you. It's an enameled brooch. It's quite pretty. It's a little cute for me, but it's quite pretty. Oh, and there's something else. Oh, this one's more interesting for me. I don't like cute that much, but I like a definite definitely like geometrics. And that's what that one looks like. And that too is enameled. But yeah, I would wear that. That's actually really cool. I think I would wear that on a beret. So cool. So far, so good. Ooh. Another little bag. And I'm obsessive about keeping little bags in boxes. So this is going to add to, oh, this is a keychain with a, what is that? Oh, it's a lady with long hair. Let's pretend it's me. My hair doesn't look that good, but it's cute. I might use that. I probably won't, but it's cute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's pretty cool. Whoa. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. It's a little rhinestone plastic, not Bakelite. I think it's plastic. Bracelet. Very cool. Ooh. I thought this was a creature at first. It looked like something that came out of a seashell. It's a brooch, and it's a brooch. It's beyond approach, this brooch. No, it's weird. It looks like something alien. There's some earrings. They're so not what I would wear. But I run a theater company, and there's stuff that I keep because it may come in handy for costume, for play or something. So I don't know what makes those so unique that they would. Anyway, and the last thing in this box, I was kind of hoping, I collect gloves, especially vintage gloves, and I was kind of hoping for that. But even with this stuff here, there was more items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items when they said 5. Some cool little bags. This thing, you know, that I totally love that. That's so Art Deco. Oh, and then these things. Oh dear. Probably lie about my age and say I'm 25 or something, and then they won't send me things that they think someone my age might wear, because yeah, I would never wear it. But here's what I'm looking at. My bathroom is this color and purple, so I've got a copper, but they're this color copper because they've oxidized, and I would put those in one of those containers with soaps in them, and I would just drape those over the top, and then I'll have something to do with it. So that's the end of my bag. I really can't remember who I ordered this from, but thank you, and that was really fun, and I think worth it. It's not like anything in this was disappointing. There's no way to know what people like and what they don't like. But again, I love that brooch, and there are people I can gift some of the other things to. Oh, and the bracelet. I think I would wear that with the brooch. Anyway, well, thanks for listening, and maybe I'll try it again. I don't know. Have a good day.